Hello and welcome to the planning briefing from the National Weather Service in Missoula. My name is Dan. We'll walk through the next week's worth of weather impacts for the Northern Rockies. First, our key points. In the Monday and Tuesday periods, we're expecting isolated dry thunderstorms, mainly along and east of the Continental Divide. Also in that time, Monday evening, we'll see winds shift to the north-northeast direction and even east across mainly western Montana, but also some of Idaho. Wednesday through Friday, intense heat and very poor overnight humidity recovery is expected, followed by Thursday to Friday, thunderstorms returning to the region. Let's look at the probability of lightning on the Monday afternoon and Tuesday afternoon periods. On the left, this image shows Monday evening lightning probabilities. We see a maximum of around 30% on the east edge of Glacier National Park, with lower probabilities to the south over southwest Montana. Contrast that to the image on the right, which is Tuesday afternoon lightning probability. Fairly much the single digits for most of the region outside of southwest Montana, where around 10% probability exists. In the Monday evening through Tuesday morning period, we'll see east and northeast winds develop across western and southwestern Montana, and then eventually over into Idaho near the Bitterroot Crest. You can see that in northwest Montana, winds will be mostly north and northeast, whereas across southwest Montana, west central Montana, and into parts of north central Idaho, we see on the west side of the divide, particularly east winds developing in that Monday overnight period. And just a cautionary note that this is a qualitative presentation here, and that you should look at the FWF or your spot forecast for more specifics on your location. One other thing that's going to happen this coming week is temperatures are going to get very warm with high pressure intensifying off to the west of the region. We see low 100s in northwest Montana and the lower elevations of north central Idaho. Also during this time, we're showing here a contrast between Monday overnight humidity recoveries, which are on the terrain in the 50 to 70% range for the most part, and higher amounts in lower elevations. But by the time we get to late next week, we're going to be struggling to get to 40%, particularly down here near Riggins, southern part of Idaho County and Salmon River corridor. You see there's slightly higher humidity recoveries up in northwest Montana along the divide, all the way down into southwest Montana, both east and west of the divide by Friday. And then finally, looking at thunderstorm potential, as mentioned before, Thursday appears to be when that is coming back into the forecast. What I'm showing you here is infrared satellite imagery simulated from one of our models, and this is Thursday evening. The most important thing to notice here is where we're seeing these reds appear in this image, and that represents cloud tops very high in the atmosphere. So that'd be indicative of thunderstorms, and this is one we're keying in on around southwest Montana, the border, Bitterroot Crest, that area on Thursday evening. Hopefully we'll have a little better on specifics about where things will be developing as we go through the coming week. And here's our weather threat matrix to summarize all the points made here. With thunderstorms along the Continental Divide of western and southwest Montana on Monday and Tuesday, the wind shift migrating from northwest and west central Montana to north central Idaho and southwest Montana by Tuesday. Then the hot air comes in from the west to impact north central Idaho on Wednesday all the way through the remainder of the week, and then spreads to the rest of the Northern Rockies for Thursday and Friday. Also, thunderstorms creeping back into the picture here for southwest Montana, and then eventually north central Idaho, west central Montana by Friday. And that concludes our briefing for today. We hope you'll join us for our next briefing as well on Thursday, July 28th. If you have any questions about your area or your spot, please call us to the number below. We hope to see you on our next recording. Thank you so much.